Hi, today I received my first EDC knife. It's a Leatherman Crater C33TX. It's a pocket knife. So join me, let's check it out. So this Leatherman knife is a pocket knife. It has a weight of 90.4 grams. It has a length when it's closed at 3.87 inches. So when you open the knife, the blade is 2.6 inches. It has a straight and a serrated blade. It has a locking mechanism and you can easily open this with just one hand. It has also a carabiner that can be also used as a can opener. It has a Phillips screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. It also has a pocket clip. So these are the features of this knife. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.